Hey folk, welcome to Artistupfor. This is another episode of easy watercolor painting of water droplets. I'm going to make the water droplets on a green leaf, and you can also watch the previous easy watercolor paintings. Links are in the I button.
From you, and don't cry. I keep telling myself this is all in my head. Don't cry. I keep telling myself you will wake up.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of our upcoming videos.
This is the first time I'm walking away from you, but this is the third time you broke something new from you. And don't cry. I keep telling myself this is all in my head. This is the first time I'm walking away from you, but this is the third time you broke something new from you. And don't cry, I keep telling myself this is all in my head. Don't cry, I keep telling myself you will wake up instead.
Let me know if you like this video or if it helps you for your artwork, or if you have any queries, comment down below or DM us on our social media. Links are in description, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.